Case Study: Hong Kong's Landslide Prevention Efforts. Welcome back to Blueprint to Reality, the channel where we break down the science, engineering, and design principles that shape the world around us. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe so you never miss out on our engineering insights. 1. Introduction. Hong Kong is one of the most densely populated cities in the world, built on steep hillsides and rugged terrain. Its unique geography and climate, with heavy seasonal rainfall, make it especially vulnerable to landslides. But over the past few decades, Hong Kong has transformed itself into a global model for landslide prevention and slope safety. In this video, we'll explore the story of Hong Kong's landslide challenges, the engineering measures taken, and the lessons the world can learn from their success. 2. The landslide problem in Hong Kong. Hong Kong's landscape is dominated by steep granite and volcanic slopes, many of which were cut during rapid urban expansion. Add to this intense seasonal typhoon rains, weak residual soils and weathered rock, high population density, living close to slopes. These conditions led to frequent and sometimes deadly landslides, especially in the 1960s and 1970s. For example, in 1972, the Pashan Road landslide killed 67 people. Other major failures forced the government to take slope safety very seriously. 3. Establishment of the Geotechnical Engineering Office, GEO. In response, the Hong Kong government set up the Geotechnical Engineering Office, GEO, in 1977. Its mission: to reduce landslide risk and make the city's slopes safer through systematic management. The GEO became one of the world's most advanced slope safety organizations, combining engineering, research, and community engagement. 4. Engineering solutions for slope safety. A. Slope reinforcement and upgrading. Old slopes were systematically reviewed and strengthened. Methods included concrete retaining walls, soil nails and rock bolts, shotcrete coverings, and drainage improvements. Each slope was cataloged and assessed for risk, with high-risk slopes given priority. B. Greening and bioengineering. Instead of relying only on concrete, Hong Kong pioneered eco-engineering solutions. Vegetation was planted to reduce erosion, stabilize shallow soils, and improve the city's aesthetics. This approach provided dual benefits: safety and environmental improvement. C. Drainage improvements. Drainage is critical in Hong Kong, where heavy rains trigger failures. Engineers installed surface drains to guide rainwater away from slopes, subsurface drains to lower groundwater pressure. This significantly reduced the chance of rainfall-induced landslides. D. Landslide risk assessment and mapping. Every slope in Hong Kong was mapped, classified, and assigned a maintenance responsibility. The government maintains a database with thousands of slopes, regularly inspected and upgraded. This systematic management ensures no slope is left neglected. 5. Public awareness and education. The GEO realized that engineering alone was not enough. People's awareness mattered too. Campaigns educated the public about slope safety, reporting warning signs, and not tampering with slope drainage systems. Schools and communities were engaged, making slope safety a shared responsibility. 6. Results of the efforts. Since the establishment of the GEO, landslide fatalities have dropped dramatically. In the 1970s, landslides were frequent and deadly. Today, fatal incidents are extremely rare. Hong Kong transformed from a landslide-prone city into one of the safest urban environments in terms of slope stability. The city is now seen as a global role model in landslide risk management. 7. Lessons for the world. The Hong Kong case shows that engineering plus maintenance plus public awareness equals effective landslide prevention. Systematic slope management is more effective than reactive repairs. Combining concrete measures with vegetation provides both stability and sustainability. Cities worldwide facing landslide risks, especially in tropical or mountainous regions, can learn from Hong Kong's integrated approach. Hong Kong's journey from a landslide-prone city to a global leader in slope safety is a powerful case study in civil and geotechnical engineering. Through systematic slope upgrading, advanced drainage, eco-engineering, and public awareness, Hong Kong has shown that even the most challenging environments can be made safe. The key lesson: slope safety requires a long-term, integrated strategy, not quick fixes. That's it for today's episode on Hong Kong's landslide prevention efforts. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Blueprint to Reality for more case studies and engineering insights. Drop your thoughts or questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.